Yes, fishing time ulit tayo. Naya pa rin ang dati, lure natin to. Yan. Sumabit ka agad. Right. Mamaya mayroon tayong i-field test na lure binigay sa atin ni Jeyo Habitat. Shout out sa iyo Jeyo Habitat. I-testing natin dito yung lure mo. Right on. Laki ng bag natin para tayo magka-camping. Testingin natin dito. Kung meron, kung wala, di wala. No, trying to catch the maputi. Ha? No, the emperor. The maputi. Maputi, yeah. Shit. Let's strike one, boy. That's a big strike right there. Strike one. Let's move a little bit further here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Boy. See, I told you. Now we're gonna go back again there to unhook our what is the one I'm telling you guys. We need to have the creek cooler or something that we can put our catch, so no need to go on the shore if we catch. See, I'm gonna go on the shoreline to remove our catch. There you go. What? Okay,